Chinese company DeepSeek has just forced Microsoft to release their deep thinking for free for every user. This is a big deal because the deep thinking feature is basically, well, ChatGPT 01 but in Copilot. So it seems like DeepSeek has been forcing many companies to, well, release stronger models for free or for a lot cheaper now, because, well, DeepSeek has been making waves. It crashed the stock market, which lost over $1 trillion in profit just because of this Chinese company that released a model that cost around $5 million that competed with 01. But having Microsoft within a week release deep thinking for free is absolutely crazy. It's also crazy because, well, deep thinking is also like easy to implement. If all they needed to do to release deep thinking for free was just to like switch, then that's kind of crazy to be like they were able to do this, but they was holding back because they just wanted more money. And I understand that as a business model, but the fact that like a company that had less resources could do the same thing and they wasn't letting us get our hands on it, or at least not even to try out at all, is absolutely crazy. But you do see a lot more companies and even like generating platforms release DeepSeek R1 onto their platform. So not only are they kind of going away from the ChatGPT, they're using DeepSeek R1 for their own platform, especially since it's, well, open source and they can have their own model onto their platform instead of using OpenAI or ChatGPT onto theirs. They can just literally copy a code from GitHub and just host it locally on their own servers. No need to even go through ChatGPT at all. Open source. And unlike Llama, where they have to be below a certain threshold of users, DeepSeek doesn't seem like they have any limitations to how many users you can have. It's all there for free to be tweaked and to be optimized for whatever platform you may have, which is a great deal. But the fact that they're making every other AI company shift to make stronger models more readily available and for cheaper is great all around for users or the customers at this point in time. I'm looking forward to see what other Chinese company or AI company in general that release the stronger models at a cheaper price point that are major players in the game, because if it does this, then who knows what will happen later on. Recently, they also just released 03 Mini High on ChatGPT, which is like they're starting to roll out their next flagship AI, which is pretty interesting. I'll be doing another video on that. If you want to know more about 03 and Mini High, you should definitely like and subscribe. With that being said, your boy Dex out.